So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app not letting me sign in with Facebook, relink and permission. Fix 1 is revoke Facebook app access. Open the Facebook app on your device, tap the menu icon, navigate to setting and privacy, then setting, scroll to your activity section and tap apps and website. Find the McDonald's app, tap on it and select remove or turn off. Go back to the McDonald's app, try logging in with Facebook again and grant permission when prompted. Second fix is verify your login credentials. Verify that you are using the correct email and password for your Facebook account. If you recently changed your Facebook password, consider resetting your McDonald's password. Try logging out and then logging back in into your main Facebook app. Third fix is clear cache and app data in Android. Long press the McDonald's app icon and tap app info. Tap storage, select clear cache and clear data. Reopen the app and attempt to log in. Fourth fix is reinstall the app. Uninstall the McDonald's app from the phone, restart your smartphone, download the app again from the Apple Store or Google Play Store, then attempt to log in with your Facebook credentials. Thanks for watching.